Gabe, I come bearing gifts. I thought I'd help outfit the garage a little bit. Got us a vise, a little chair to roll around on, and I got a creeper because I'm tired. I'm tired of rolling around on your dirty ass floor. Look, come look what I got you. Got us. I got us a vise. I got us a creeper, and I got us a seat to roll around on. Right?
Good looks.
I figure that'll make life in the shop a little nicer.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, hey, look who's rolling up. Damn. Man already got the wheels on his BMW. Those things are clean as fuck. You just need 2 more now.
Exactly. I might get contours, honestly.
Alright, so today what we want to get done, we really want to try and get the reinforcement plates in on all the mounting points, including the trailing arm mounting point. I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to finish everything up today. We might. I mean, it'd be fucking awesome if we can get everything buttoned up today. But I guess we'll just see. All right, so I'm gonna get started on prepping the mounting points for welding in the plates, and while I'm doing that, Gabe's gonna finish up on welding up the diff. Fuck.
If you want to be a drifter, this is the price you have to pay.
It is what it is.
Unless you have friends, dude. Unless you have friends that are helping you. Imagine just doing this by yourself. Shit. Dude, all that dirt just came from your fucking car. That's insane.
I wonder how much weight I'm gonna
Weight reduction. Weight reduction.
That's a pretty solid amount of dirt.
That's impressive.
So they're forcing me to do the plug welds for the reinforcement plates, so I thought I'd get a little bit of practice before I make a fool of myself.
Like, or just do one consistent circle and try to make it like wide.
I'll try to make it wide.
Like kind of big.
I did a little tack.
Let's see.
That's a tiny tack.
Okay. Well, dude.
I'm gonna do a line. I'm going for a line. I mean, not terrible. It looks kind of like a turd, but I mean, it's going. I saw a piece of this line pop off when I was doing it. What does that mean? Does that mean I was too far away?
Yeah.
If it's the wire's too long, you have to be like kind of right up to it, but not too close.
Yeah.
Bet.
And that's the sound that you want. That little bacon.
I was starting to get a little, little
that's
dimes
good.
almost there.
Oh my god.
Bruh. Bruh.
Okay.
Oh,
I mean, like 1 to 2 to 3. I mean, it's getting somewhere.
I mean, you're getting better.
Yeah.
There you go.
Bet. I might be okay welding these plates up.
I know what
Okay. Okay.
That's a little better. That's a little better. There you go.
I mean, for like my first time welding, I'm pretty proud of that. Dang, this is addicting. This is fun.
Right? Right?
I bet. Let's do the reinforcement plates. I mean, she's up there. I'll tell you what.
I mean,
So, I mean, like, I got the first couple in. They're definitely not pretty, but, I mean, I guess they're better than it just sitting up there.
I'm pretty good for your first couple runs.
Alright, so I got all 4 of the plug welds in. Not pretty, but hey, I think they'll work. And for my first time welding, I think I did an alright job. Now we're just gonna do some little stitch welding around the outside. Hopefully that turns out a little bit better than those did though. Alright, so I gave it a shot putting down some beads, and I think I'm just gonna let Kellen take over. He's a trained professional.
I'm not no professional, but damn, those are kind of good.
Those are kind of good. Fuck yeah.
I think that'll be good enough.
Good shit.
Honestly.
Kellen, you're the man.
Sir.
I appreciate it. Alright, so Kellen ended up taking over on this one. I think you could probably tell which one's mine. And then he took over. And then he did the plug welds on this side. And then did a couple stitch welds real quick. It's late though. We didn't really get much done today. We kind of just bulled around. It was a fun day though. I think we'll be ready to get cracking tomorrow though. What? Cameo? Kellen cameo? God damn it. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it for the day. I'll see you guys back again tomorrow. Alright, so we're back at the garage for day 2 of welding. I'm hoping we'll be able to get all the welding done today. We are starting pretty early. I think we have a pretty clear-cut goals. I think we'll be able to get everything done. And I also brought my Carhartt so I can weld in something other than a fucking tank top today. I know that wasn't the smartest choice, believe me. I know probably a ton of you were down in the comments being like, oh, why are you welding in a tank top, bro? That's fucking dumb. I know. I have a jacket. We're good. So the welder's out of gas. So right now we're just waiting for Kellen to get over here, and then we're gonna run and go get the tank filled up. I keep looking at that like white board over there with the blue on it, and it kind of reminds me of like those old school fucking soda cups that you would get at like cafeterias and shit. All right, we got the new tank. Now let's get back to welding. So I was kind of just given free rein to do some welding, and I mean, like, I wouldn't say they necessarily look good, but I mean they might function. So I got this all welded up. I mean, if you could really call that welding. I mean, I tried doing the backside on this one. That was kind of tough. These front ones were Kellen. I didn't have the ability to do those. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think these will hold at least. I mean, it's literally better than not having this reinforcement plate up here at all. So I mean, I'll take it. All right, so we got everything welded up and painted. Now we just gotta wait for everything to dry, and then we can get to installing this rear subframe again. I'm honestly so excited. I'm really hoping we can get this thing driving today. Huh? Let's put the diff in it, and then we'll probably put it on the jack, yeah, and then we'll jack it in. I think that'll be the best option. I'm still not sure if we're gonna have to grind down the trailing arm pockets though, like where they mount. Because I know there's some globs of welding in there. Oh, my foot is underneath there. Ooh, my finger! Okay, we're good. Alright, yeah, that goes on there like that. Bet. Alright, and then I think we just have this one down here. I guess we can put this over. Oh, it's gonna be so fucking heavy. Woo!
It's a good song he's singing. It's a real good song.
God, yeah, that's just stuck in my head now.
Yeah.
God damn it.
You're gonna be on YouTube, Tommy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I was just a lot more.
I'm gonna make you famous.
We're all on YouTube.
My name's Tom, by the way.
I don't think it's like,
There's definitely supposed to be a washer on this, I
That
think.
shit's sexy, isn't it?
Yeah, bro.
mine had a washer.
Did that? Part of me thinks that that's not the right bolt for this. We really should have been more organized when taking these bolts out, I think. Oh. Where did this even come from?
Bro, you got a whole ass book?
Yeah, this man's prepared.
Damn. About as long as time ago. If I needed it.
Oh, is it like the shit you buy at Amazon?
So this one works.
I bought on Amazon.
But like,
cheaper.
the thing is, I don't know if that washer's necessary. Because I don't even think this came off of it. I'm gonna just zip it on for now, I think. Oh, you know where this one came from? This came from the weight. The weight that was right there.
Oh.
So I mean, if anything, we're just repurposing a bolt, I guess. I mean, it works.
Does it thread all the way in?
See, yeah, there's more threading down here, so I mean, I don't know if, like, that's kind of sketchy, I think.
All right, yeah, keep going up. Well, that's not lighting up. Oh, yeah. Lift it up a little bit. I think it was in. Actually, it's in.
Is it in?
It's
All right, go up.
Oh.
I did not like that.
It's getting caught back here.
So I'm lowering it.
All right,
Yeah, lower it.
all right. Oh, there we go.
There we go. Go up a little bit.
Okay, we're gonna have to come back down.
Okay, should we just man it up? Like,
And just drop the fucking,
jack.
just drop the jack and muscle it up.
Yeah.
I'm down for that. All right, you wanna drop the jack?
All right, I'm trusting y'all with my head.
Oh, that's
I'm
risky.
trusting myself with my head.
We might just have to like wiggle it hella. Like honestly.
This is so sketchy.
Oh!
Okay, wait. Now we can probably get it up. Oh, nope. Your side went up and mine didn't. I think we might want to get the jack butt under here. All right, yeah. Okay. So yeah, now it's still just our this fucking corner right here.
Side, yeah.
We gotta be able to drop this side.
That's. Want to drop the jack just a little bit?
Okay. All right, that's perfect. There we go. Oh, you good? You good? Sorry, dude.
Oh my god, my wrist is fucked up, bro. That hurt.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Fuck. Want to hold your side so it doesn't fucking
Yeah,
fall?
got you. Cause yeah, my side will go up. Oh, my now my side won't go back
Oh
up.
fuck!
I don't think that's it.
Bro, wouldn't this be so much easier if you could just flip a car upside down?
Facts.
So, yes.
Let's do it. We gotta try.
Let's go.
Now this one side won't go up.
Fucking.
Oh, you went up a little bit,
muscle.
Jamie.
Huh?
You went up a little bit. I mean,
Oh, I got an idea.
Oh.
there you go.
Oh.
There you go.
What about your side?
There you go. Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my
okay,
god.
okay.
Really chilling.
Get
When
the
you hold
bolts,
this-
get the bolts.
We need nuts.
You need nuts in there.
Are these it?
Huh?
These it?
Wait.
Are those only two? Yep, those are them.
Oh my bad.
You're good.
I'm trying to jack it up.
Oh. Beat stop.
We got those on. Where are the studs at? Okay, I got one stud right here.
You need these.
Man, you thought I wasn't going up. I told you just
shit.
keep pushing it.
Fuck yeah. Alright, let's zip these bitches on with the zippy boy real quick.
Brother.
Alright, so we're on the home stretch right now.
No, because
We have the rear subframe in, and we have the drive shaft all connected and everything. Now we just need to put in all the suspension bits. We are almost there. Alright, it's about 11:45, and I'm gonna talk really fast so I can talk over this music because I don't want to get demonetized, but we're almost done. We have like almost everything in. We're getting the axles all put in right now, and then we just need to install the new lower control arms, and then get the springs back in, and we're pretty much done. Alright, so now that we have the axles all torqued down, we're gonna install the new camber arms. I ended up getting a brand new set from Drift HQ. I honestly can't remember what brand these are, but they're like one of the cheaper options they had. They're a lot higher quality than the old ones. The old ones are like salad tongs. So I guess let's get these installed. All right, so since I wanted to keep the camber adjustment about the same in the rear for now, I just matched up the new camber arms to the old camber arms. So that way we'll end up with at least around the same camber as before. And then we'll just go from there later on. All right, guys, I just made it back home. It's like 2 a.m. we came so close to finishing the cart tonight, but we were just all so tired and we just wanted to call it for the night. I think that's gonna end it for this video. I can assure you that in the next video we're definitely gonna get this car running. We're gonna go take it for a shakedown, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys are excited for that. But other than that, hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.